Now, Stacy, she appears to be a friend of Karen, which I feel like that was a really good dynamic. It was good to bring her on. She seems like a breath of fresh air. Very professional, very astute. I like what I see in her. It looks like she is married and separated, on the brink of a divorce, and she is currently dating someone new. So it looks like she has a lot, to bring to the table. And let's not mention that she kind of is somewhat of a firecracker. Just looking at the last episode when Giselle basically kicked them out and pretty much told them they were not invited. They were no longer invited because they had arrived late to the GNA show or GNA event. And I mean, she was not holding back. I mean, how she pretty much came, towards Ashley and, and was questioning her and, saying, didn't you say that it was okay for us to come here at 8? And you guys, and here comes Ashley. Yeah, but it's 8:04. Girl. For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.